I've kind of been sitting on this for a while. Sorry for the poor lighting. I'm out in the garage messing around. This is the Auline 4S 2000 lithium ion. It's like their budget pack. Retail price is 20 bucks. It's just a 4S 18650 in series. So what happened here, I actually warranted this for a customer who did not buy this from me. I don't sell Auline products for this reason. If you could see here, I kind of bent these up to get measurements and stuff. Under the flight load of, really they don't tell you what you should buy this for. I mean, it's up to you to size it appropriately, but when he told me what he was doing, I thought, I sent him one of my batteries and it works perfectly fine. So I would say he had it appropriately sized. And so what happened was he was simply flying. This is not abuse. This is nothing that he did, not operator error. He plugged this battery in and just started flying, and the flight load was enough to just pop this little super thin nickel strip that they're using like a fuse. This is super thin nickel strip. I mean, the video obviously isn't going to show you much, but not only is it thin, but it's not even 8mm. The soldering is mostly cold anyway. Not that that would matter. That's not what caused this. I'm just talking trash, I guess. Very poor connections. I know those were cut off, but you could see the parts that are still there, how thin those are. So again, this is not operator error. This is not something that this customer did. This was just a simple case of purchasing an inexpensive lithium-ion battery and trying it out. And this is what happened. This is kind of my beef with Auline, A-U-L-I-N-E batteries. I'm not a big fan of them. I personally have had failures on the LiPo batteries. Actually, let me grab some of those, I'll show you. So I think you've seen my direct head-to-head tests. These are the batteries. They're not puffed, they're not really damaged, they're kind of scuffed, but there's no, that's just a black marker. There's no damage, but my 4S 1000 lithium ion will outperform this 60C 1000 LiPo. There's absolutely no way that should happen. And yet we have plenty of evidence all the way back from last November supporting that the Foolthrottle lithium ion 1000 4S outperforms the Auline LiPo 4S 1000. So I don't know, buy your batteries from me or not a big deal. Make your own. If you want to learn more on how to make your own, hit me up. All I can say is, man, these Auline batteries are just proving more and more that not only are they just low quality, but apparently they can be dangerous. I mean, the way this pack is built, the way this is assembled, I might make something like this in this using, well, I wouldn't even use this cheap of a nickel strip, but what I'm saying is this would be like a goggle battery at best, and they sell a goggle battery and it's just fine, but they sell this as a flight battery, and they also sell it as a 30C. Lithium ion is not measured in C ratings, so that's tip number one, that they're full of shit. So anyway, hopefully this kind of helps sway your decision to stay away from Auline, because they'll either have to up their game in quality, or maybe they'll just stop selling these, or maybe they'll sell them for a lot cheaper than they should be. I sell something for $20 that I guarantee you is 100 times better than this would ever be, and it won't explode. So anyway, feel free to hit me up with any questions. Have fun, guys.